Hello, this is Tommy with Bunny Ballistics. I'm just doing a really quick intro since when I recorded at the range it did not seem to want to save. So today we're just doing our Winchester Defender 124+P, and then I also have these Winchester, they're old school Rangers, and they are 115 grain plus P plus. So hopefully they both do really well. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. So thank you. Alright, so we have our Winchester Defenders. They are 9mm plus P loading at 124 grain. And we are going to be shooting out of my 365 XL. And like my last video, I have my little brass catcher. So let's see how these guys perform, shall we? $12.62, $12.28, and $12.46. Boy, those are pretty good. I'm excited to see how these compare to the older plus P plus. Our highs, 12.62. The low, 12.28. Average, 12.45. Spread, 34. Standard deviation, 13, which is really good. So that is awesome. Alright, so next up, we've got our old school Rangers. And these are plus P plus. So let's see how these guys perform as well, shall we? Alright, here goes. Ooh, that's spicy. 1360. Gosh, that's awesome. 1336. Oh, it was one off. One off. 1366. Wow. Why are these discontinued? These are freaking amazing. So yeah, first time shooting these. Had them for a while. Now I want to find more. We'll see. These are the Winchester plus P plus. Did not record, unfortunately. Ran out of memory. So that was first shot. Second shot. Third shot. Actually, that's reverse order. Either way. This is our high. Low. Let's see. Standard. Or the average, excuse me. Spread. And deviation 12. Which again, fucking fantastic. Excuse my language. So good. Alright. We get to our jelly test. Yay! You see my table is taking a lot of the brunt of these tests. Anyways, we are going to be doing, these are the Winchester Defense. The PDX ones as I think used to be called. 124 grain plus P. And then after this, and we're obviously going to be doing this through denim. And then after this, we are going to be doing the old school Winchester Ranger in the brown box. And those are plus P plus 115 grain. Alright, so here we have our PDX-1s, or I'm sorry, Winchester Defenders, 124 grain plus P. Boy, that looks like it went well. Oh shoot. Let me see how far did this go? We have it 13. 13. So that's a little short from what most people want. But I mean, boy, look at that. Oh, that is such a good spiral. And I mean, when we pull that out, like, that is just so good. Also, let's see, how does this look? Oh, that's pretty cool, huh? And you see all the way to the end. That is so cool. Look how it just glows in there. Okay, anyways, next shot through our 4 layers of denim. This should be neat to see. Hopefully it expands. So that was pretty freaking cool. So I put the light there before the shot. I think it looks better. I actually will have to look at the footage again. Either way, look, this guy, he went just to the edge. And he went a little, I don't know if you guys can tell on this, but it went literally just into this. It's like just poking. Can you kind of see it there? Right there? Yeah. And what is that? That's about 14 inches. That's about what my block is here. And that was through denim. I mean, gosh. Both of those, in my opinion, did really good. But, yeah. I thought that did really freaking good. So we're going to try our old school now. Our Ranger, the actual Winchester Ranger. And they're going to be our plus P plus. All right, so here we have our Winchester plus P plus bare gel. As you can see, there are 3 shots. Unfortunately, we have our first shot here. I didn't record, so I was like, well, shit, I need to redo it. And I was like, I want to make sure there's room. Yeah, well, I made sure there's definitely fucking room, because there, and it's gone. Oh, let's see if I can focus. Yeah, it's just gone through the table. So, fuck me again for blowing my table up. I do it every time, because, yeah, I'm going to have to do what Kentucky Ballistics does and find a table sponsor or something. Jeez. But anyways, we got our last one, which was nice. I mean, these were pretty damn comparable, you know? That was the first one, and that's the second one. Granted, you already know this block is only about, 14 inches long or so. So, that's not even 14. So, yeah. Still not bad. I mean, the wound is great. It did leave a little bit of jacket behind there. But, I mean, very consistent at least. Okay, so here we have it. Let's grab our light out of here. So here is our denim. It's very front one here. And you can see it goes, and then I'm not sure what happens right here, but it was sure going, and it looks like it expanded great, and then I don't know what happened. It must have, I just don't know. Maybe it turned around, like the wound cavity, it just stops. You can see it there, and then there's our bullet right in there. It's kind of jumbled up with our my prior test, but it's right there, that guy. A little hard to see. Oh, I think I'm just making it worse. Well, shit. But yeah, this guy right here. That is our not Talon Ranger series, the old school one. But that one did pretty well as far as depth, because that was at 16 inches. So that one was good. And that was through denim, so that's kind of more what you're gonna see. You know, most people have clothes on. So yeah, I like these bullets. I like both of them. I really do. All right, that is all for our jelly test. So let's end this thing, eh? All right. So I hope you guys like the test here with our 2 Winchester rounds. I mean, honestly, both of these, again, I really like these rounds. They penetrated kind of deep, or I'm sorry, not that deep. However, I mean, they expanded fucking fantastic, both through just the bare gel and through 4 layers of denim. So these you can get pretty easily. They're not always cheap. You can find them under $20, so honestly, I wouldn't spend more than that for them. These, on the other hand, these are basically old school. Try to find the old school or new old stock if you can. Otherwise, fat chance finding them. This is the number for it. I'll show that again for you guys. It's also in my Google Docs. I have these. Their barcodes or their names or whatever. And yeah, those are in the comments of my Google Docs, which you guys should take a look at. Hopefully I'll get this going a little more than, once a month. And I can fill up that Google Docs chart of mine. And hopefully it'll be helpful for everyone. On another note, I'm sure I said it last video, but this was the video I shot my chrono. And I'll probably put some pictures in just to show you how stupid I am. And luckily, I say luckily, it was just my chrono, because it was very close to hitting my camera / phone. So yeah, that would have been a double whammy of just fantasticness. So if anyone is feeling frisky or generous, I have a PayPal link in there, down there in the description. Guys, really good ammo. I approve. Oh, another thing. So I'm sorry, I'm rambling again. Give me one second. I'll show you. So this video was supposed to be a three ammo video. This is the third one. This is what I shot my chrono with, unfortunately. These should be in the future too. I was trying to get all these at the same time to see new versus old, and yeah, FML. So I'll stop rambling. I love you guys. Take care, have a good one, and be safe and keep shooting. Bye.